Let's solve a React technical interview challenge together. So what we're going to build is this. This is your traditional memory game. You have a bunch of images, and the goal is for you to click them and find the ones that match together. Our starting point is this. We have this memory game component, and we have an array of images that we need to work with. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create and define a custom type that we're going to call cart. This will have an ID, we'll have the image URL that we get from the props, and then we'll have two properties, is flipped and matched, that we're going to default to false. Then we're going to use that type and then put it in our component state using useState. Then we're going to define two functions. Our first function is going to be handle cart click that will get called whenever we click on a specific card, and this will take in a cart as an argument. And first we're going to check if the card is flipped or if the card is matched. We're not going to do anything because in that case there is nothing to do. Then we're going to call setCards, which is going to update our set function. This will receive the previous cards, and what we're going to do is we're just going to take that card by its ID and then set it to is flipped true to flip it. And then we're just going to check if the new flipped cards is equal to 2, because if they are equal to 2, it means that we have two cards that are currently flipped, which means that we need to check for a potential match. And that is going to get done by this handle card match function, which is defined over here. And this one takes the first card and the second card as arguments, checks if they are a match, and then if they are a match, we're setting this in a timeout for a better user experience. We're just going to set them as matched true. Otherwise, we're just going to reflip them so the user can select two new cards.